अस्सलामुअलैकुम। मेरा नाम अब्दुल यमीन है एंड माय रोल नंबर इज़ BP16500029 and I'm from group 13. My topic is dyslipidemias, atherosclerosis and coronary heart diseases, and the subtopic is about hypoalpha lipoproteinemia. So first we have hypolipoproteinemia. What is this condition? This is a condition where your HDL level, that is high density lipoproteins, uh, uh, they are in a bit reduced level or low range in your bloodstream. If a person has this condition, that means to say he has reduced HDL level basically. So it's mainly an inherited disorder, as it occurs at the chromosomal level. It occurs due to mutation at chromosomal level. So next we have, okay, the low HDL cholesterol levels are less than 40 milligram per deciliter. That is a range where hypoalpha lipoproteinemia occur or falls when your HDL level falls below the 40 mg per deciliter. So here are some sign and symptoms that includes neuropathy, splenomegaly. Splenomegaly is enlargement of spleen, and whereas hepatomegaly is enlargement of liver. The clouding of cornea, orange or yellow enlarged tonsils, early onset cardiovascular diseases had also been seen with this condition. So the reason that is causing this condition is mutation in chromosome, and this mutation is defecting transporter that is responsible for transporting cholesterol and phospholipid out of the cell into the bloodstream. So this transporter named as ABCA1. ABCA1 stands for ATP binding cassette 1. 1 is for first member of this subfamily. So here in this condition, this cholesterol and phospholipids are not transported out of the cell, due to which the deficiency of high density lipoproteins occur in the circulation and the accumulation occur at the cell level, that is causing cell death or impaired function. Next we have case to study. This is a case about 59-year-old man who has no history of CHD or CHD risk equivalent. So he has no medical problems such as, but here we have his some physical examination that is showing his BP level that is quite normal, heart rate that is regular, but the weight he has is a little bit over as compared to his height. He is 6 feet tall, and the laboratory values are showing quite normal values, but the HDL level is a little bit decreased. That is the problem. That's why he has gained this weight. But the plus point is that he has no CHD risk or CHD history. So these are some subjects and objects which has his vitals and other values. Now the assessment is that he is overweight, he has no physical activity, and he is consciously taking low fat diet, which he doesn't need to, because his HDL level is already in a decreased condition or decreased level. So, and the plus point or the good point is he has no CHD risk, just because he has uh, low LDL cholesterol and low BP. If you have low HDL cholesterol, then coronary heart diseases का या cardiovascular diseases का risk बढ़ जाता है, but here in this condition he has a low risk just because of his normal ranges. And then we have a plan for him, that is simply he's advised to take fats, the monounsaturated fats, and lowering carbohydrate intakes. That is a simple way to raise his HDL cholesterol. And his HDL cholesterol can be increased by his physical activity. His weight can be decreased by it. So here's the simple plan we could have for him.